amwene taida nani anyamata atsika now taida nani ma teenagers yo ma teenager one. You know what, when you're a teenager umakhala rebellious, it's normal. I mean, tinabanga psychology, we know this. Teenage, you want to experiment with life, you want to experiment things, and you become rebellious. Okay, we know it. And when we are trying to control you, we are trying to keep you on track, you fight back. And uma limbana ndi anthu amene akufuna kupange control, and iwe umadzifira kuti wakula. Teenager umadzifira kuti wakula. And what you want is independence, okay, and freedom. That's teenage. If I get my teenagers, they want to be rebellious, and what you want is freedom. I want freedom. Ineyo zomango zomanduza kuti 5 koloko ndisipezeka tili pakhomo. Ineyo zomango ndikanisa kupita kwakuti. Ineyo ndakula, ineyo ndine mndu wankulu. I'm 18. I'm 19. You understand? 10 years from now, when you're 28, 29, you regret most of the decisions that you're making today. You regret. Okay? And what we do is trying to help you not to make our mistakes. We that's what we try. And you need to love us, because one day you will thank us for this. I'm talking to you, teenagers. Chifukwa mafika tena kumadzifira iweyo pakhomopaja wakuira masteni, wakuira ndala, usafuna sokulankhula ndi ankolo, usafuna kulankhula ndi sisters, aje mwali akufuna kuti usafuna kumvetsera. Boys, girls, amwene, what I can say in one sentence, know this: maturity is being responsible. Okay? Again, being mature is being responsible. Maturity comes with responsibility. Keep that. Say, Uncle Nestor, the black teacher, told me that being responsible is being mature. Maturity comes with responsibility. Ngati zimene wewe ukupanga ukusufira kuti wewe wakula, you are mature, koma you are being irresponsible, then that's not true maturity. Ask yourself, are you being responsible? My decisions are you being responsible? Not only to yourself, to your family. Are you helping somebody? Are you making people around you better? Are you helping your family? You understand? I was at home, my sister's home, all through my 20 years old, 21, 22, 23, even when I was in university. I was on holidays, I was at my sister's home. Being sent to Wagula Sugar, I would go Kuchinyonga. I used to live with Kuchinyonga. Go Kuchinyonga. But 49, Madiwajan, remember? Kagula Zabu Where? Ubeza ka time again, I get my friends back. Ukamwa jibuku jiwili kubwele laso baden. Okay? Hey, there's nothing good that comes out of being rebellious. Okay? Always value guidance. When people are giving you guidance, value it. They're giving it to you from the point of love, not from the point of hate. The people you don't want to talk to, those people you are trying to shut out, are trying to help you. So that one is for you. Teenagers, love yourself before you wreck yourself.